EgyptGas believes in the importance of investing in human resource before the equipment. Today, as we celebrate the 40th anniversary of the journey of this national institution, remembering years of prosperity and stability, and others that were not as they should be, one fact stood still, that through all the years this great entity remained as a symbol of perseverance of its human workforces. Today, we write a new page in the history of EgyptGas. The regeneration dream. That dream which requires a clear vision to become the basis on which a precise plan of action was built and implemented by EgyptGas with utmost diligence and earnestness, under very careful supervision, permanent follow-up, and full support from His Excellency Engineer Tariq Al-Mullah, the Minister of Petroleum and Mineral Resources. We have achieved a lot, but more accomplishments await to be realized.
لازم نشكر أبناء شركة غاز مصر بقيادة المهندس وائل جويد، فلهم مني وكل زمايلي في قطاع كل تحية وتقدير.
It took 5 years of rebuilding and reforming that has paved the way to the current state of success, from preparing the individuals and work groups, through replacement and modernizing equipment to double the production, expanding the company's various activities, and adding new activities and fields that broaden the horizons for a better future. Consequently, EgyptGas' scope of work is no longer limited to implementing the national plan for delivering natural gas to domestic regions and industrial zones, but also it became one of the leading companies in the field of integrated construction contracting, and it has a distinguished national role in major national projects. EgyptGas has exceeded expectations when it comes to delivering natural gas to homes and factories in most parts of Egypt, connecting 470,000 customers annually, up from around 200,000 customers in 2017, bringing a total of 2.2 million customers in the past 5 years. One of its most prominent national projects is Haya Karima initiative, to deliver natural gas to the villages of Egypt. This great national project aims to raise the rural standards of living and provide the best means of life for the people in need. EgyptGas has also participated in the initiative to convert cars into using natural gas, contributing to the effort of maximizing NG utilization and reducing the carbon footprint. EgyptGas has constructed most of the stations included within the CNG project, also still continuously participating in the development of all fuel stations in Egypt. EgyptGas has also expanded in the construction of aircraft fueling hydrant system in Asyut, New Alamein, and the new administrative capital. Also, the construction of water and sewage stations and networks in the Radisiyah and Ramadi regions of Idfu, Aswan Governorate. EgyptGas is also building multiple factories like Al Ain Al Sukhna and the 10th of Ramadan City polyethylene pipe factories that are owned by EGAS and Egyptco companies, as well as many projects in the field of general contracting in the oil sector companies, including integrated civil engineering, maintenance and painting works for all oil facilities and platforms on land and sea, specialized works for thermal insulation and fire protection. In order for the company to complete this transformation, as well as to strengthen its financial position to match the upcoming projects, the company's capital was raised from £120 million to £960 million in only 4 years. It has also established a complete digital transformation by applying SAP system, which ensures the accuracy and efficiency of the workflow in a way that saves resources and controls the various departments of the company. With that rate of general advancement of work, it was necessary to develop the company's strategic warehouses to keep pace with developments. This development of various warehouses was not limited to digital transformation, but it included all storage methods, infrastructure and protection systems, which is a qualitative leap in the workflow. In order to keep up with the increasing demand for pressure reduction stations and regulators in the natural gas distribution industry, the company has built the largest factory for manufacturing of pressure reduction stations that holds the ASME-U stamp certificate. This factory aims to provide the supplies of the company and its sister companies and raises the proportion of the local component of this industry while promptly meeting demand rates, especially Haya Karima initiative. In the field of sustainability, the company has made a significant contribution in expanding the use of solar energy. Also, for reducing the pollution resulting from sandblasting works, the company built an environmentally friendly closed sandblasting system that protects the workers and the environment together to become a model for keeping up with the directions of the COP27 climate conference. Egypt Gas strives to enter the field of clean and renewable energy by collaborating with several partners to reach the most suitable methods of cooperation in this field in a manner that guarantees the sustainability and strong presence of the company in the next 10 years. The company has always been keen on the continuous development and adapting modern technology to serve customers while maintaining the business interest. The transformation plan included the introduction of systems to monitor the consumption of industrial customers, which guarantee a real protection from any attempts of tampering or theft, as well as providing instant rapid intervention and technical support as soon as there are any discovered problems that may affect the delivery of natural gas to the customers. In addition, a new laboratory, the first and only one in the Middle East accredited by the Netherlands, to calibrate the turbine meters used to measure the consumption of industrial customers. Amidst all diverse engagements, the company has remained committed to its community responsibilities towards the development of hospitals, school laboratories, national universities, and scientific conferences of engineering colleges, all with the continuation of medical convoys to the villages most in need in the Lower and Upper Egypt. Egypt Gas will continue to work hard in order to satisfy its customers locally and internationally, and to perfect its national role in preparing and training its employees who will always serve the nation in the best way possible in all national projects in the petroleum sector and other sectors. What has been achieved and is still being achieved on the ground bodes well for a better future, God willing. Egypt Gas, a history we are proud of and a bright future we look forward to.